All right, guys, check this one out. This is a custom fitted teeth grill we just had done for a customer. It's an 8 top teeth. You got your diamond cuts, diamond dust finish on it, makes it shine real nice. Okay, it is 925 solid sterling silver. Here's the back side. It snaps right on the teeth. It's made from an actual impression of the customer's teeth, so it'll be a perfect fit. This is available on our website, blingcartel.com. Now, you could do the top, you could do the bottom, you could do a top and bottom set. That's up to you. Check that out. Real solid 925 sterling silver. Check it out, guys. blingcartel.com. Thank you for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.